Hello, welcome to our Engage Assembly. Easter can sometimes be a bit of a sad time when we remember that Jesus died. But in today's story, we're going to have another look at it and remember the happy ending. I hope you enjoy it.
Come on, Simeon. It's getting dark and the others have already launched their boats. If we don't get out on the water soon, there won't be any fish left for us to catch.
I'm going as fast as I can. These nets are in a terrible tangle.
And whose fault is that? Who didn't tidy up properly after our last fishing trip?
Don't blame me. We all had rather a lot on our minds at the time.
You're right. Yeah, so much has happened since we were last out on the lake. We dropped everything to rush off and follow Jesus. And life got very busy. All that travelling around and watching Jesus heal those people, learning from Jesus, listening to those wonderful stories. Oh, it was so exciting, and now it's all over. Jesus is dead and here we are back in our old jobs, fishing again.
I hate fishing. I really don't like fish. Ugh. Except fish fingers. I love fish fingers. As long as they've got lots of ketchup.
Oh, we're not the last. Look, there's Thomas on his way. He usually fishes with Judas, doesn't he? I wonder where Judas is. Oh, I don't think anyone's seen him since the night when Jesus was arrested by those soldiers. Oh, yeah. Let's ask Thomas about that later on. Have you finished with those nets yet?
Yeah.
Come on, let's get going. Ready? Push. This has been a total waste of time. I've lost count of how many times we've thrown the nets out. We've been at it all night. And what have we got to show for it? Not a single solitary fish.
Nope. I hate fishing. In fact, I hate fish. Oily, scaly. I do like fish fingers though, with lots of ketchup.
You're a disgrace. Now, Peter, he's a real fisherman. Do you remember the time when he'd been out all night, hadn't caught anything? Jesus got in the boat and told him to try again. Oh, Peter argued, like he usually does. But then he did what Jesus told him, and he had a massive catch, nearly burst his nets. Oh, those were the good times. Deciding to follow Jesus was the best decision we ever made. Amazing things happened when Jesus was around.
Much better than boring old fishing. I hate fish. Nasty, scaly.
Oh, and do you remember the time when we heard about the storm, where Peter got out of the boat and tried to walk on the water to get to Jesus?
Didn't get very far though, did he? Apparently.
No, but they did say he did actually walk on the water, just for a little way. And then Jesus was there to catch him. Jesus has always been there to help us. How are we going to manage without him?
I don't know. I thought when they came for him, he'd do some sort of miracle and escape.
So did I. And later in the courts, he just stood there and let them tell lies about him. And then he let them kill him. Oh. I thought he was going to come and be our king. Throw our enemies out of the country and life would be safe and happy.
But he didn't. And now he's dead. And our lives are in ruin.
Come on, Simeon, cheer up. Oh, Thomas, have you caught any fish?
Hang on a minute. No, just an old sandal. But I don't mind.
You sound very cheerful after everything that's happened.
Of course I am. I'm over the moon. Haven't you heard?
Heard what?
Jesus is alive. It's true. First, Peter and some of the others saw him one evening, and I didn't believe them. But then I saw him myself. I got to talk to him. I even got to touch his wounds. It was amazing.
But he died, he was killed. We all saw.
Yes, but he's alive again now. I don't know how, but he is. Hold on a minute. Peter's shouting something about a man on the beach. I'm going to see what's going on.
Hang on. They look like they're throwing their nets over again.
Oh, that's ridiculous. They're far too close to the shore to catch any fish. Wait a minute. They have. Oh, the nets are bulging. They're struggling to haul it in.
Do you think we should go and help them?
Hang on. Peter and John are talking. John's pointing. Oh, they're both getting very excited. Oh no, I don't believe it. Peter's getting out of the boat.
Oh, they're a long way from the shore. That's not a good idea. He's going to get really wet.
Oh, don't tell me he's trying that walking on water thing again. I can't look.
Oh, he's jumped in. He's swimming for the shore. Do you think we should see what's going on?
Well, that was amazing. Did you see the size of the catch? I thought we'd never landed ashore.
153 fish, not including tiddlers.
Ooh, I can smell roasting fish. I wonder if we could join them for breakfast.
I hate fish. Have they got any fish fingers? Or ketchup?
Shush, I'm trying to hear what they're saying. Peter, John and Thomas are up by the fire with that man we saw from the boat. They seem awfully friendly. And it's like they know him.
I think we should wait for them to invite us before we join them for breakfast.
Simeon, this feels like something that's happened before.
You mean the nets bulging, full of fish, unable to land it?
Yeah, and the man on the beach. I wonder. Do you remember when Jesus told us that he had to die? I didn't want to talk about dying. We were having such a wonderful time. But then, just now I remembered that at school they taught us that long ago the prophets foretold that God would send somebody special to die for us, to save us, to make the world right again.
Maybe, but
Shh, I'm thinking. We know that Jesus definitely died and he was buried, but then
what Thomas said last night.
I wonder. Oh, don't look now. He's coming over.
Good morning, Mathias, Simeon. It's good to see you. Come and join us for breakfast.
It really is you.
Jesus, you're alive! Well, I hope you enjoyed watching that assembly as much as we enjoyed making it. I'm going to say a little prayer now. And if you'd like to make it your prayer, all you need to do is say Amen with me at the end. Dear God, we thank you for the hope that you have given us. Help us to remember this Easter that Jesus is alive. Amen.
We won't do this in the schools.
Can't you get that in post?
I'm not going to bother with a broom in the schools, I can tell you that.
We saw from the boat.
I think
They're awfully friendly.
I think we
A bit
should.
like you.
Yeah.
You keep talking over my lines.
It really is you.
Jesus, you're alive and you haven't invited us to
for
breakfast.
Yeah, I know, but that's what I'm thinking. The trouble is that I'm standing there, how long do I...
You're alive! And you're giggling.
Why do I say yeah? I told you so.
You noticed? Yeah.
When they said you're alive, your left eyebrow went up as if to say, yeah, of course I am.
What do you expect?
It's just as well I don't know how to...
react.
Yeah?
Jesus, you're alive!
Got any fish fingers?
No, I've only got ketchup, I'm afraid.